In this video, we learn how to modeling this exercise in Creo software. Now, before starting the modeling, first of all, we study this sketch. Now, here you can see the three sketch. Now, this one is a one square, this one is a rib, and this one is a circle. Now, first of all, we start from this base section. Now, draw the section 56 by 75 mm, 56 by 50 mm square and extrude up to 75 mm. Now open the Creo, select this one, new model, enter the name exercise 11. Now select the part and in part modeling select the subtype solid. Now press OK. Now our working window is open. Now first of all we sketch, select this sketch and now select this plane, sketch, right side. Now draw the rectangle, give the dimension, this one 56 mm. Now this one is a half of 56 and now height 50 mm. Now here you can see the 12 mm left, 12 mm both the side, and now height of 5 mm. Draw this rectangle. Now dimension, with this dimension 12 mm, and now equal this side 12 mm, height 5 mm, 5 mm height. Now select here trim and cut the remaining line and make a close section. Now finish. Now extrude this one 75 mm. Now this one is center line, so select the equally, select this symmetric and now enter here 75 mm. OK. Now here two hole is given 28 mm from this is center and now 45 mm from the center line. Select this one. Both radius are same. Enter, equal. Now give the dimension 28 mm from this edge and 45 divided by 2. This one is the same. Now give the diameter hole 12 mm, 12 mm. OK. Select the X2, change the direction and now this one selected, cut the material. Now you can see here this one is the one, two circle, outer circle diameter 36 mm and this one is a 22 mm. Now extrude this one is a 25 mm and the main point is center of this one is a 100 mm from this edge and from the bottom edge 63 mm. Now first of all we take a plane from this bottom plane 63 mm. Select plane, select this plane and enter 63 mm. Okay, now sketch. Draw the two circles. Inner circle diameter 22 and outer 36. Now from this edge 100 mm, finish this. Now you can see here 63 mm and x2 downward direction 25 mm. So select x2 25 mm. Okay. Now draw this rib. One end of this rib is connected with this edge, and now second end top of this square. Sketch, select this outline. Connect both ends. Now use the dimension 36 mm from this center line, this edge, and remove the thickness 12 mm. Give the dimension 36 mm. Now connect this edge. Now enter here. Finish this one. Now select x2, symmetric, enter here 12 mm. Finish this one. Now our exercise is complete. Now render it. Now thank you for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe my channel.